po ba mabilis ang PR mag-aaral dito sa Canada?
It depends kung ano ang pag-aaralan mo dito sa Canada. Dati, yes ang sagot. Ngayon, since nagbabago, dapat kung dati nagpaplano ka ng iyong student visa, ngayon triplihin mo ang strategic planning pagdating sa pag-aaral. Dapat napagplanuhan mo na rin, hindi lang sa pag-aaral, kung hindi pati permanent resident. Bakit? Pabago-bago kasi ang ruling.
And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success, and also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest, mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community, mga kap. The link is in the description below, or simply type in the comment section, access, and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much, mga kap, and signing out. Maraming salamat, mga kap, and see you here in Canada.